Chinese civilization has long sources. The printing, one of China's ancient four great inventions, inheritage of Chinese civilization, the dissemination of world civilization, the treasure of world civilization that Chinese nation dedicates with wisdom. Passage of time. Time flies. Today, in digital technology rapid development, ancient printing is given a new form of expression and the rich connotation. From contact printing into a non-contact printing. From the monotonous color, transition to the ever-changing natural color. From the traditional screen making and plate making, changing to the digital version of printing without plate. From simple text carrier, become vivid color digital image. From single function of civilization heritage, evolved into various functional digital printing. From flat printing to the progress of materials 3D printing. With maturing and widespread popularity of digital inkjet technology, the old printing has been given a new era of vitality and unlimited space to develop. From office documents to 3D printing. From the inkjet advertising, digital imaging, home decoration, building materials, floor tile printing to digital printing, and to variable data printing, and then to support networking and modern logistics, and so on. With the development of information technology, inkjet printing has changed the way people live. The spring of inkjet era has quietly come. Hongsam, professional inkjet ink manufacturer. Ever-changing technology innovation accelerate the process of social change. Rapid economic growth, calling for environmental protection and sustainable development. Smooth flow of information development boosts the perfect combination of personality and digital. Inkjet printing. Short process, no plate, more color to meet the needs of fashion. Strong function, covering all areas of printing. Water-based inkjet printing greatly facilitate the process of environmental protection in the printing industry to make the printing industry has become a truly green business and promote the harmonious development of society. Foresees the digital's far-reaching impact on all areas of society. Practices the concept of energy saving. Aims at printing industry has the broad prospects for future. Hongsam comes into being. Founded in 2001, Hongsam has experienced more than a decade of accumulated precipitation technology. Was listed in the New 3 board on 24 January 2014. Becomes the first listed company in Chinese inkjet ink industry. Is hailed as the first unit of China Inkjet Ink. Dependent on IT technology and intelligent printers' digital inkjet technology, landmark non-contact printing technique, the functional ink with different application can achieve all printing in coating industry. Hongsam uses water as solvent, uses nano grinding technology. The 3-level microfiltration process creates series of pigment ink. The ink has excellent chemical stability and functionality, green environmental protection, print smooth, care of the print head, leading all the way in the industry, ushered in the praise. Hongsam integrated LED cold light source technology with UV ink technology, developed LED UV ink, can easily achieve a variety of materials printing. It is also an important new material in the future of 3D printing industry. As an important realization form of 3D printing, light-cured resin ink will become the core base material in the coming ad material manufacturing industry. It is recognized as one of the key manufacturing technology in 21st century. Big business needs a large field of view. Big business must need far-sighted strategic planning. Hongsam adhere to honesty and surprising. More than a decade is one day. Stick to inkjet field, but also innovation. From industrial production to daily life, Hongsam has a strong development capability according to demand and multi-industry digital printing solutions. Company website www.ink4u.com. It is the meaning of tailor-made ink for you. Innovation is the driving force behind the development of Hongsam. Look for inkjet technology will be as big in various industries. Continues innovation. Hongsam has developed over 200 products that are applied to different areas and different industries. With deep technology accumulation in printing and dyeing industry, Hongsam is the first in China to open the textile ink development, leading the process of digital textile printing, known as the Chinese digital printing field vein. As early as 2005, Hongsam adhered to independent research and development, the first in China to launch textile reactive ink, nano pigment ink, dispersed dye ink, broke the situation of high-end textile inks were monopolized by foreign manufacturers, and because of innovative technology, access to a number of national invention patents, and support of Innovation Fund from Ministry of Science. Now Hongsam has mastered digital inkjet ink invention proprietary technology. The inks are used in a variety of textile fabrics. Hongsam led and participated in the setting of 6 national inkjet ink industry standards, developed dozens of application solutions according to different fabrics and different digital printing applications, built up sales network in over 60 countries and regions in the world, has 4 domestic subsidiaries and 8 branches. With continuous innovation, Hongsam leads the digital trend of domestic printing and printing industry. Hongsam water-based nano-pigment ink has been invincible in the field of digital imaging and art reproduction. 2 textile inks, sublimation ink and reactive ink, have appeared in recommended directory of Chinese printing and dyeing industry advanced technology, energy saving. 8 invention patents has been authorized. More than 10 patents are in pending approval. The company received 2 project supports of Innovation Fund from Ministry of Science for 10 consecutive years to maintain national high-tech enterprise qualification. Hongsam has been highly affirmed by the community. In the internet era, from the view of customer point, Hongsam produce every drop of inkjet ink according to customers' demand. From the customer's application experience and functional experience, products and services from Hongsam fully embody the product concept of all for user. It is also the company's foothold, as each country competing to encourage the development of high-tech fields. The European textile digital printing accounts for more than 70% of total production. In Japan, more than 80%. In China, digital printing product produced by inkjet technology is less than 5%. A huge gap. There is a vast of potential. Greatly developed digital inkjet will greatly reduce the dependence on foreign raw materials, improve the intelligent production level of Chinese traditional industry, help China dyeing and printing industry's digital process to enhance the international competitiveness of made-in-China products. Today, the new inkjet devices continue to emerge on the international. Fast print speed increases. The inkjet ink is flourishing in industrial application and promote the technological upgrading and industrial restructuring in traditional dyeing and printing industry. In the internet era, in the information age, everything can be digitized. Will must digitize. The digital world is ushering in a new era of inkjet. Unlimited future. Promising. Hongsam strives to grasp opportunity with leading technology and market advantage. Access to rapid development to meet the functional requirement of inkjet technology is used in many industries to be a leading enterprise in digital printing industry and eventually become the world's leading inkjet ink manufacturer and provider of digital printing solution. Hongsam, professional inkjet ink manufacturer.